Mwandĩki mũnene wa ngwatanĩro ya ũrũmwe wa mabũrũri Antonio Guterres nĩ athiĩte na mbere gũkũmithia mabũrũri marĩa matongu thĩiniĩ wa thĩ, akiuga nĩmo marahĩnga igeria rĩa kũhũrana na ũcenjia wa rĩera. Arauga nĩ gĩconoko kuona mabũrũri ma Afrika marĩa maracagĩra gĩcunjĩ kĩa 4 tu harĩ igana harĩ gũthũkangia wa rĩera nĩmo maranyamarĩka makĩria kumana na ũcenjia wa rĩera.
And here, from a low-emitting continent, Africa, I make a very strong appeal to the large emitters, to the G20 countries responsible for 80% of the emissions that will be meeting this week in Delhi. Assume your responsibilities. Developed countries must commit to reaching net zero emissions as close as possible to 2040. And large emerging economies as close as possible to 2050, with support from developed countries to do so. And it's time to break our addiction to fossil fuels and invest in a just and equitable transition. We need to see credible plans to exit coal by 2030 for OECD countries and by 2040 for the rest of the world. And we need ambitious renewable energy goals in line with